Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Extended Collection List section. The Extended Collection List section allows you to showcase multiple collections in an organized and visually engaging layout, making it easier for customers to explore your catalog and discover products across different categories. Let's get started. Accessing the section to access the Extended Collection List section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Extended Collection List section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Extended Collection List section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Extended Collection List, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Extended Collection List section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the Extended Collection List section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can choose how collection images are displayed using the image ratio setting. Adapt to Image displays the image in its original proportions without cropping. Portrait crops the image into a tall, vertical shape for a clean and modern layout. Square crops the image into a perfect square, ideal for uniform and grid-style displays. Use desktop columns to control how many collection cards appear in each row on desktop and larger screens. Enable Show View All button to display a View All button when there are more collections than currently visible. Disable it to hide the button. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern or explore a variety of styles including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Use mobile columns to control how many collection cards appear per row on mobile devices. Enable Showbox to display content inside a styled container. Disable it to remove the box layout. Collection Image Alignment controls which part of the collection image remains visible when the image is cropped within its container. You can choose from top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. Enable Show Collection Title to display collection names. Disable it to hide collection titles. Enable Show Product Count to display the number of products within each collection. Disable it to hide the product count. Enable Hover Animation to add subtle animations when customers hover over collection cards. Disable it for a static display. Enable Show Button to display a button for each collection. Disable it to hide collection buttons. You can choose the visual appearance of your button style: link, default, solid, and outline. Adjust button size to control the overall button appearance: inherit, small, medium, and regular. Adjust content spacing to control the space between content elements within the section. Use heading size to control how prominent your titles appear. You can choose from H1 to H6. You can adjust the section opacity to control the transparency of the extended collection list section and create a softer visual appearance if desired. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the logo slider will be displayed. Both devices' sliders will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere, effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider automatically scrolls through the content. Adjust the autoplay speed setting to control how quickly the slides move. Enable Loop to make the slider continuously cycle through all available slides. Enable Show Dots to display navigation dots below the slider, allowing visitors to switch between slides easily. Enable Show Arrows to display left and right navigation arrows for quick slide navigation. For styling, select arrow color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color, or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use arrow position to control where navigation arrows appear. Middle arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the extended collection list section to your store's branding with color schemes including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can add a block here and open collection settings to begin customizing your extended collection list content. You can choose the collection you'd like to display. Next, choose the collection image alignment. Available options include top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. You can customize the collection title to display a custom name instead of the collection's default title if desired. You can upload a custom collection image to override the collection's featured image. Simply click Select Image and upload a new image or choose one from your library. And that's it! Your extended collection list section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.